Right, it's time for a look at my apartment. So there's the front door. There's my bed, my air conditioner. We have ourselves a little couch area. But look at this, wall length windows. They go the whole length of the wall. So cool. So I can wake up and watch the sunrise. Then I got my little area here. The kitchen, I got a stovetop thing. Still trying to learn the switches. Little fan, toaster oven, sink, a nice high efficiency refrigerator, and of course a little table that I'm going to be using as my desk. And then of course another window right here, which we're going to go ahead and shut since we have the AC on. But yeah, this is my apartment. $300 a month, all utilities included, just pay electric. I am really freaking happy. I think it's awesome. Oh, and here's the view from the window. So if I go up to, you can see the mountains right there. So yeah, I can see the mountain from my window.